'Cause I wanna watch you taking off your mourning and putting on that midnight smile for me. Your chase, the slow motion belief that you are dreaming and running from the things that make you Don't hold back. Is there anybody out there feeling something? Don't hold back. Is there anybody out there feeling something?
Potbellies, don't hold back. Happy New Year to you too, Potbellies. Kicking off the celebrations tonight. Thank you so much for having us as a part of your New Year's Eve celebrations, whether you be in the backyard, whether you be on the harbour, or whether you be doing the classic double header up there on Tweed Heads. Australians love New Year's Eve, but just how far back do New Year's celebrations go? We put our crack team onto it, we got the researchers happening, and we came up with this for your edification.
Oh, hello. I didn't see you there, but boy, am I glad I did. I've just been reading up on how people throughout time have celebrated New Year's Eve. Ha! Extraordinary. Back in the Stone Age, we have no idea how early man celebrated New Year's Eve. We can only assume it was with some kind of rock.
1, 2, 3, 4, Happy New Year!
In Roman times, the Emperor of Rome celebrated New Year's Eve in the month that was named after them. Julius Caesar celebrated in July.
Hooray for me!
Augustus celebrated in August.
Party!
And Emperor Goopy Goop celebrated in Gooptober, until Gooptober was removed from the calendar.
Boo!
In 1659, the King of Bavaria loved New Year's Eve so much, he required everyone in his kingdom to celebrate it every hour on the hour.
It's that time again. 3, 2, 1.
I love this time of year. I don't. A long time ago on the planet Endor, the Ewoks celebrated New Year's Eve the only way they knew how, by doing a little dance in platform shoes. In the 1800s, the people of Oklahoma fired their guns in the air to celebrate. The practice was banned when it was discovered that the bullets often fell on unsuspecting people who were celebrating far, far away. But how will people celebrate New Year's Eve in the future? Here's a genuine scientist to tell us how. Due to the effects of global warming, by the year 2050, people will celebrate New Year's Eve much the same way, but with a bit more water. Well, I certainly can't wait until 2050. Can you?
Ten's New Year's Eve celebrations. Brought to you by Vodafone. Make the most of now.
Hi, I'm Natalie Gouchi. We are here at the auditions for So You Think You Can Dance. And we all want to wish you a very happy new year and a brilliant 2008. Don't we, guys?
Welcome back to the New Year's Eve fireworks. I'm at the Lord Mayor's party at the Opera House, but also at full steam right now, just over in the Botanic Gardens. There are 2,000 kids with special needs who are enjoying the Lord Mayor's picnic. It's a fantastic initiative. Joining in with all the fun and to tell us a bit more about what's going on, we have Wes from Totally Wild, Pip and Dan from Toasted TV, and Dr. Rob from Scope, who appears to be the only one not in fancy dress. What's happening over there, guys?
Hi Kim, good evening. It is all happening over here. The theme is Once Upon a Time, and we have been partying all afternoon. Hey guys, having a good time? We're having a great time. Now, earlier we joined the picnic.
Yeah, look at me. I did a bit of face painting.
Yeah, I had a bit of face painting as well on
Did
Dr.
a
Rob.
very good job.
Yeah, it wasn't a great job, that one. No.
And of course, I was dressed as Prince Charming because I got to wake up Sleeping Beauty, of course, with a kiss.
Good
There
job.
it is.
Good job there, Wes.
Yeah. That was the job I wanted, but they wouldn't give it to me.
There we go. Oh, what a kiss.
Very nice.
Do you like
you
that?
look dashing as a Prince, Wes.
So do you, Pip. You look
Say.
lovely.
Well, I'm supposed to be Alice from Alice in Wonderland, which may give you a little bit more of a hint as to who Dan is.
I'm late!
Now, I think I can probably take this from here. I think it's a fair bet, given the ears, the white outfit,
He's
the
only got
obsession
big
with
ears.
time.
Don't pay out my ears, all right?
Funny
My ears
teeth.
are off.
They look great.
It's pretty obvious what Dan is, right? But look at his eyes. They're not pink, are they? No, and they should be if he was Oryctolagus caniculus, the albino, a white rabbit. He's a white rabbit
He's
from Alice
the
in
white
Wonderland.
So,
Yes,
judging from that, Dr. Rob is, of course, himself.
Yes,
Yes.
except I'm in the evening lab coat, special lab coat.
So
I
that
don't
looks
know
good.
tonight.
Well, you don't need to be dressed up tonight because it's all about imagination, and that's what fairy tales are all about. They're all about magic.
Including the fireworks that will be later on, which will be absolutely magical.
Oh, well, Pip, I'm going to have to stop you there, because fireworks aren't magical. Oh, no.
Boring.
They're scientific. But they're a mix of science and art, of chemistry and colour, and you know what? I think I can explain this better. To the lab! Fireworks come in a range of different colours, all of which are due to the excited states of different metal atoms. Let me show you what I mean. Let's take a salt that contains a metal. In this case, I'm just going to use table salt, because it's sodium chloride. Now, the flame's blue at the moment, but watch this. Ooh, it goes a nice orangey colour. And that's because all of the sodium atoms in there are getting really, really excited. Now, the same principle applies with other salt. Let's try a copper one. It starts off a blue colour, but in the flame, there's a nice green colour. Now, fireworks work on exactly the same principle as, say, a match. It's a chemical reaction called combustion. But fireworks don't use wood as a fuel. Instead, they use charcoal and sulphur. Now, in our little lab version, we're going to use sugar as a fuel in the form of a jelly baby. Now, for oxygen, well, we can't use air like we could with a match because it just doesn't create big enough explosions. So instead, we're going to use chemicals called oxidizers that contain lots of oxygen. We've got our fuel and I've rolled it into a bit of the strontium to give us a little bit of colour. Now, all we're going to do is combine them. Here goes. That's pretty cool, huh? It's hard to believe all that energy is coming from just one jelly baby head.
Happy New Year! Have a fabulous night. G'day, everyone. Have a wonderful Happy New Year.
Hi everybody, Happy New Year. Have a wonderful year ahead. I'm sure you'll have many New Year's resolutions, so I hope you stick to them.
Be good and be good at it for New Year's, okay?
Welcome back to Sydney Harbour, where the fireworks are less than 10 minutes away. So to get us all in the party mood, it's time for a medley from three performers who we've got to know very well over the past few months, three of my favourites in fact, as we followed them through the trials and triumphs of Australian Idol. You don't have to vote for any of them, just sing along and enjoy. Please welcome Tarasai Boucher, Ben McKenzie and Jacob Butler.
On ticking into the future. Time keeps on ticking, ticking into the future. Oh, I wanna feed the babies. I wanna shoot the children. I wanna shoot the children. I wanna house the people. I wanna house the people. Let me fly to the sea, fly like an eagle, let that spirit carry me. I wanna fly into the future.
To
Journeys to play, and 525,600 minutes. How do you measure the life of a woman or a man? In truths that she learned, or in times that she cried, in bridges he burned, or the way that she died. Although the story never ends, let's celebrate. Remember the year, the life of friends. Remember that love, seasons of love. We get it almost every night. When that moon is big and bright, it's a supernatural delight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Long and we never fight, but you can dance and stay uptight. It's a supernatural delight when everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the dancing. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight.
And a big thank you to Jacob, Tarasai and Ben. Gosh, they're fantastic. We should be really proud of them. Well, the fireworks are just 5 minutes away, and we'll make sure you don't miss so much as a sparkler after the break.
Hello Australia, it's Cram here. Happy New Year to you all.
Hey guys, have a great New Year's. It's going to be a massive year.
2008, baby.
How's it going, folks? This is the John Butler Trio, and we're wishing you a Happy New Year's and a great 2008.
Yeah, Happy New Year.
Thanks for having us as part of your New Year's Eve celebrations. Australia 2008, just a few hours away. We are excited about the family fireworks. You're excited. Deb's excited. The Lord Mayor's picnic, though, they are going nuts. Family fireworks about to start.
Thanks, Andrew. That's right. There are only seconds left. The clock is ticking.
I'm late! I'm late!
We're not late! We're getting ready to count down together.
Dan, you're not running late. I think there's something wrong with your watch.
Oh, maybe it's just got the wrong online, has it? Okay,
I think
hang
it's
on.
got the wrong time. Did you know that in the 10 seconds it takes us to count down to the fireworks, an object travelling at the speed of light could go around the Earth 70 times?
Dr.
70
Ross,
times, that's a rabbit.
Sounds like a fairy tale to
It'd
me.
be very hot and very long by the time it got there, but nonetheless, it would
right.
get around 70 times.
Well, guys, are you ready for the countdown?
It's no longer about to begin.
Ready?
Here we go, here we go.
9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey kids, what time is it? Hey kids, what time is it?
applause. Breathtaking and very, very loud from here. It was amazing, I thought. And what about the bridge display? And the great news is we're going to do it all again, longer, louder and later at midnight. It's something I think all of Australia should be proud of. What was the view like over there, Andrew? Woo!
Oh, here at Dawes Point, it was fantastic. Did you like the fireworks, guys? It's pretty amazing to be right underneath this bridge. More live music to come, Fuzzy?
Yes, still to come, ARIA award-winning Miss Sarah Blasco performing right here at Dawes
Plenty
Point.
more to come before 2008. Stay with us.
Don't stop the beat. I can't control my feet. People in the street. Come on, everybody, and move your feet. Don't stop the beat. I can't stop the beat. I won't stop the beat. Go.
Well, here we are. You are on Sydney Harbour, ready to bring in 2008 in less than 30 minutes' time with an amazing fireworks display. You've got the best seat in the house there on your couch, though there are some people floating about on boats here on the harbour, and I think we need to go and find out how their night's going. Hello. How you doing, guys? Give us a happy new year. Happy New Year. Why have you guys chosen the canoe kayak combo?
VIP seats.
Tomorrow, why is the lady rowing? Will, what are you doing? You're not being a gentleman this evening.
She wanted the row.
What's it like here on the harbour?
Locked in an Auckland, that's for sure.
Snacks. Key to success in 2008, Australia.
Happy New Year!
Australia, welcome to New Year's Eve 2007. We're in less than half an hour. Sydney's world-famous harbour and iconic bridge will light up with thousands of fireworks to help kick off New Year's Eve celebrations across the globe. Kim, you look fantastic tonight. What a night ahead of us.
Oh, it's a huge night, and thank you for that. Look, I do need to say a quick thank you to Ben Smith, who designed two beautiful frocks for me tonight. And you see the little back, little bit of a thing down the back, and a torre. See, I thought perhaps I could show you some jewels for your wedding.
Okay,
You like that?
That's very kind of you to keep me in mind.
That's all right. And they're not that expensive. Anyway, you won't miss a thing because wherever a firework explodes into life, we've got a camera covering it. Straight down the harbour to the bridge, the view from the Opera House, across the bridge, looking down, looking up, whatever angle you can think of, you'll see every cascade, every whiz, and hear every boom, crash and bang.
You have us great onomatopoeia, Kim. It's magnificent. We hope your New Year's Eve is going well tonight. We're really happy that you've got us on this evening, whether it's in the corner of your games room, whatever it is. We're happy to be a part of your big night as well. Planning for this evening's spectacular, though, started in October last year. Tonight has been 15 months in the making.
Yeah, well, our telecast hasn't taken quite that long to mastermind, but over at Dawes Point, Fuzzy has come up with a few cunning plans to keep us entertained to midnight and beyond. Who have you got over there, Fuzzy?
All shall be revealed, Kim and Andrew, all shall be revealed. We're going to get the entertainment kicking on right now. Now, this chick has had a top 20 smash, and right now she's going to perform her most recent release, Not Me. Please welcome to the stage, live at Dawes Point, Miss Amy Pearson, everybody! Woo!
When you first walked into my life, was so happy you just made me smile. I'd do anything that you like, but after a little while, all these questions about where I've been, where I'm going, who's been calling on the phone. What's become of the guy I met? I just wish keep on wondering why. Always comes as a surprise that people think that they got the right to tell me how to live my life. Too much talk about what I wear down my head. Seems like it's always wrong. The advice I just there was just not to tell everyone to step up. Just back up. I'll be who I wanna be, and I'll sing who I wanna sing. I won't go searching for nobody, no. And I'll do what I wanna do. Screw you if you don't like it too. No, I won't go searching for not me. Ain't about being right. I just go with my instincts, and I trust myself. That's what I do. Why don't you keep it up? I know that you.
I'll see who I want to see.
No, I won't go changing for nobody. I wanna do. Screw you. You don't like it too. Then I won't go changing. No, not me. I'll be who I wanna be, and I'll see who I wanna see, and I'm for nobody. Yeah, you don't like it too, then I won't go changing. No, not me. No, not me. No, not me. No, I won't go changing. No, not me. Happy New Year, everybody. Have a great night. Thank you.
Yeah, that was Amy Pearson with Not Me. Well, it's less than half an hour to go before we kick off 2008. And if you need a crash course on how to still respect yourself in the morning, then you need to hear what Kathy Buchanan has to say. Hi, thanks for coming. Good to see you.
Thanks so much, Kim. It's a great night.
It is a great night, but of course the most important thing really is you need to know what to do and what not to do. Well, let's start with the what not to do. What are the, let's say, top 5 disastrous things people do on New Year?
Okay, well, the thing is you want to start the year off well, so you don't want to wake up and have to kind of apologise to 10 different people about breaking their favourite vase and getting so drunk you threw up all over their carpet or something like that. So the first thing is not to drink too much excessively, especially wait until after midnight so you can kiss everyone and say Happy New Year, and then you can go and do what you want to go and do. And also make sure that you don't grab anybody else's partner and give them a big kiss at midnight, because you might start a major argument. And
that's always a no-no.
It's never good. And I think just really be thoughtful of other people, like don't push in the cab line, and be really, really thinking about other people at this time of year.
All right, well, give us some idea on what we should be doing. I mean, you said don't push in. That's obviously a very nice one, but that's not going to happen, clearly.
Absolutely. I think pay it forward. Like, you know, if someone's there and they really want a drink, why not say, oh, do you want me to get you a drink? Do something really nice, and then they'll go and do something nice with somebody else as well. And especially in cab lines, just don't get into those horrible fights. You know, stay in line, and remember to tip cabbies and be really nice to cabbies. They're out there doing such a hard job, and don't throw up in the cab. That's the worst thing to do.
I know, they say that they watch the people fairly closely to see who might be more in danger of doing something disgraceful, but there'll be none of that.
None of that, absolutely. I think they're doing a great job. And I think one of the great things to do is just to be really positive, like kind of don't sit around crying in the corner. Be really, really positive about the new year and think about what you want to do next year. Like, let go of all grudges from this year and just let them go and just go into the new year with a clean slate and a big smile on your face.
Beautiful. All right. Thank you so much, Kathy, and we hope that everyone feels like a winner and not a loser tomorrow. And now, to take us to the break, let's look back at some of the big winners of 2007.
the Q man from Le Grand Cirque. If only I knew how to say that in French. Of course, that'll be here at the Sydney Opera House from January 10th. New Year's Eve always about a great party. And what's a great party without dancing? We've got two of Australia's finest dancers with us now. They're judges on So You Think You Can Dance, shortly on 10. Jason Colan and Mr. Matt Lee. Gentlemen, New Year's Eve, I mean, you know, the dancing can always end in tears, can't it, Jason?
You know, I say New Year's Eve, everybody should let the dancer from within out. Have a couple of champagnes, let it out.
Really? Because all I've got, really, I've only got the Toowoomba two-step, Matt, which just kind of goes a bit like this. That's all I've got. I know it's no happy feet, but how can I zazz that up?
Mate, if you just give it a bit more energy, a bit more arms, a bit of more head action, I think you'll be great. That's it. Look at that.
I like that. Well, to give people some ideas, you put together a bit of a history of dance. What are we about to see?
I put together a bit of a number, and we start with a bit of a history, going from a Charleston into a tango, into a bit of a disco, into a bit of a now. So
I want to chat to you guys a little more about So You Think You Can Dance in a second. Please enjoy this. This is Graham and Kirby Lee, A History of Dance.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Magnificent. A history of 90 seconds of 17 different kinds of dance there. That was just magnificent. Matt, how long did it take you to just like whip that up in an afternoon?
Mate, we did. To tell you the truth, we whipped it up in an afternoon. They had a couple of hours and we had rehearsal yesterday, but they did a great job.
Well, thank you very much for bringing that to us. Jason, you know, you are a judge on So You Think You Can Dance, having an experience on Idol. I've seen when people who have, I guess the word would be tickets on themselves about their vocal abilities and how they take criticism. Have you felt at all ever bad that you've said something a little too harsh to someone?
Look, Andrew, I call a spade a spade. I shoot from the hip. But, you know, you will always find with talent in all regards that there are people with inflated idea of how good they are. It's our job to sort of let them know, I guess.
In the nicest way possible?
In the nicest possible way.
What are you looking forward to in 2008, mate?
Mate, I'm just looking forward to Australia discovering the dancers that we have all over the country. We've got some of the best dancers in this country, so look out for them in 2008.
And Jason, of course, you've got a fair bit of an international career behind you. How do Australian dancers stack up against what's going on in the rest of the world?
Australian dancers are as good as anywhere in the world. I've been saying this to media around the country now, Andrew, and that is, you know, America's got 200 million people, we've got 20 million people. For every great dancer we have, they have 10 great dancers. There's not any more of them. They're not any better than us. There's just more of them, yes?
I can't wait to see it. Is it just lots of lycra and sequins as well?
It's lots of talent.
Lots of talent and sequins?
And sequins.
And sequins, yes indeed. Thank you very much, Matt. Thank you very much, Jason. Have a great New Year's Eve. I certainly hope you enjoy the fireworks. We're looking forward very much to seeing So You Think You Can Dance coming up in 10 in the new year. Kim is somewhere in this party, somewhere. What is going on, Kim?
I know, well, I'm just over here having a lovely relax, waiting for Natalie Gouchi after the break. I can't wait as we continue the countdown to Sydney's legendary, the mighty Sydney fireworks.
From the people who brought you this and this,
365 days in the making, based on a true story of 500 people and 100,000 fireworks. An incredible vision. The biggest fireworks display in the world. 112 tons of equipment and explosives, all set to go off when the countdown hits midnight. New Year's Eve 2007, the time of our lives. Coming to a sky near you.
It's New Year's Eve and I'm angry, yeah I am. Because a couple of weeks ago my wife said to me, what do you want to do on New Year's Eve? I said, who cares? You know I don't like New Year's Eve. I've never done anything good on New Year's Eve. I don't give a stuff about New Year's Eve. And she said, we got married last New Year's Eve. I said, you bloody tricked me with your question, didn't you? Bloody hell, now I'm in trouble. Why you do this to me? Happy New Year's Eve, everyone. Yeah, it's a great day. Love the people you love. Yay.
Thank you very much, Dave Hughes. Thanks for joining us. We are live across Australia. We're less than 10 minutes away from 2008. Really appreciate you having us in your house tonight. 2007 has just been fantastic for our next guest. She's about to go on tour on the 2nd of January. She begins her national tour in Wollongong, going right around the country, then moving down to Star City after she's in Wollongong, having a few of the other people that she worked with across this year joining her along the way, though she started this stage of her career at this incredible venue, the Sydney Opera House. 2007 has been a fantastic year for her. It's going to be even better in 2008 for her last ever gig of the year. I'll never get tired of saying that. Would you please make welcome your Australian idol singing her debut single, Here I Am, Natalie Gouchi.
Can we just confess? Everything we hoped for was leading up to this. Don't wanna let it slip away. Staring at the window, suddenly I'm looking at an open door. Waited all my life on the verge of something, never really knowing what it is. Stuck inside a long night, do you walk through like daylight? And I found my place to land. Here I am. Oh, here I am. All I ever was. Everything I held on to, I lay down at your feet. 'Cause baby, this is me. There's nothing left to hide no more. There was something missing, and all the spaces filled up when I let you in. I waited all of my life on the verge of something, never really knowing what
Well, Australia, this is it. Less than a minute to go before 2008. What an incredible night it is here on Sydney Harbour. Kim, over 40,000 boats on the water, over 1 million people on the harbour. It's an incredible atmosphere down here, isn't it?
It is incredible to be here, and I think if ever you get a chance in your life to come to Sydney for New Year, do it, because there are so many great vantage points. I mean, we're here at the Opera House, but there are people all over the place with their picnic lunches and their backpacks and little kids being dragged along. It's fabulous, isn't it?
The crowd is starting to roar behind us in Circular Quay. People getting very excited. Less than 30 seconds to go, no matter where you are in the country. This is the moment that we all celebrate as one, the coming of a new year. Absolutely magnificent to be here. People really starting to get very excited behind us. The boats are starting to toot their horns. Watch the bridge. Keep your eyes on the bridge. The
yes,
countdown
that's the effect, isn't it?
About to happen on the pylons any second now. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year, Australia. Here we go. of Sydney Harbour. Very, very happy to see that fireworks display. That was unreal.
Tell you what, that was one heck of a cracker night, wasn't it? That's the best cracker night I've ever seen in my life. That was amazing.
What an incredible, incredible way to bring in 2008. Happy 2008, kid.
Oh, I know, 2008. I keep thinking, what are we doing? There's so much happening. There's so many things to do.
There's a lot going on here at the Opera House. People really enjoy themselves. Fuzzy, how was it right there under the bridge at Dawes Point?
My goodness, that was absolutely incredible. The bridge is right there. I can smell the pyro still. Wasn't that crazy, people? Woohoo! Absolutely nuts.
Magnificent. I love the fact that she used the word pyro. She's so rock and roll, that girl. More pyro. Just generally, I think.
Yeah, well, look, I mean, as you said, it's 2008, so we've got every reason to celebrate. The